viewers, we have breaking news coming in right now ahead of Vladimir Putin's much anticipated India visit. We are getting more insights about the details of the visit. Republic brings you an inside scoop from Russian presidential aide Yuri Ushakov's press briefing ahead of Putin's visit to India. The bilateral political dialogue is regular and confidential. Cooperation between Russia and India is actively expanding. The visit is of high importance and provides an opportunity to discuss the entire extensive agenda of Russian-India relations comprehensively. It is planned that Vladimir Putin will also have a separate meeting with the President of India, Draupadi Murmu. It is planned that key aspects of trade and economic cooperation will be discussed in details during the summit. So this is an inside scoop on what can we really expect from the visit, and this coming in from Russian presidential aide Yuri Ushakov's press briefing. So this is a very, very important day today, and the entire country is looking at what is going to happen. The Modi-Putin handshake is something that is going to really determine the course of the bilateral relations and how the relations progress and what will be the trajectory in the future course. Of course, both the nations are partners. And how are they going to deepen their bilateral ties is something that we have to wait and watch. So viewers, as President Putin's plane lands in Delhi today, one name echoes through every strategic briefing, and that is the S-400 Triumph, India's Sudarshan Chakra. 3 squadrons already stand guard from Rajasthan to the northeast, and 7 months ago in Operation Sindoor, they proved why shredding Pakistani jets before a single weapon could in fact cross our border. A lesson that the world won't forget. And when Prime Minister Narendra Modi gets down and talks with President Putin, the S-400 will again dominate the table. More deliveries, also a leap to S-500, and a partnership that has never bowed to pressure. Here's a report.
As Vladimir Putin's plane touches down in New Delhi today,